Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon and cheese turnovers. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 sheet of puff pastry, about 6 slices of cooked bacon, and a mix of cheeses like cheddar and cream cheese. Don't forget 1 egg for the egg wash. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This savory treat is perfect for breakfast or a snack. Now, let's prepare our delicious filling. Start by cooking about 6 slices of bacon until they are perfectly crispy. Once cooled, crumble the bacon into small pieces. In a separate bowl, combine 4 ounces of softened cream cheese with 4 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. Gently fold in the crumbled bacon until everything is well mixed. This creates a rich and flavorful center for your turnovers. It's time to assemble our turnovers. Unroll 1 sheet of puff pastry onto a lightly floured surface. Gently roll it out to a 10 by 10 inch square. Next, cut the pastry into 4 equal squares, roughly 5 by 5 inches each. Place about 2 tablespoons of your bacon and cheese filling onto 1/2 of each pastry square, leaving a small border. This ensures a good seal. To finish, fold the empty half of the pastry over the filling, creating a triangle or rectangle. Press the edges firmly to seal, using a fork if desired. Brush the tops with an egg wash for a golden finish. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until golden brown and puffed. Let them cool slightly before serving. Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade bacon and cheese turnovers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.